Genital wart is now common. So if you're having a tag that looks like this, like this, like this, and like this, either on your thigh, your vagina, your vulva, your tongue, your lip, your scrotum, or other part of your body, then you should know you are having genital wart. But in this video, I'll be telling you what causes genital wart, how to treat genital wart successfully, how to prevent genital wart, and how to manage this condition without any problem. So if you are seeing this face for the first time, do well to hit on the subscribe button, because these are the kinds of videos I'll be doing every day for your consumption. Now let's start by explaining what is genital wart before we advance into the signs and symptoms, the treatment, the prevention, and stuff like that. Genital wart is a viral disease that is caused by a virus called human papilloma virus. Now, these viruses have different strains. There are different strains of this virus that can affect the body. And one of the strains is what we call HPV-6 and HPV-11. Now, these two strains can cause genital wart and they will leave tags all over your body. But there are ways in which this virus gets into the body. It doesn't just come like that. There are ways in which it gets itself into human body. And one of the ways you can contact this particular virus as a person, as a man or as a woman, is through unprotected sex. If you're that kind of person that have sex without condom, you can get infected with this particular virus. If you're that kind of person that have not taken the vaccine for preventing HPV, then you can get this virus. But there are times whereby people complain that despite the fact that I use condom, I still get infected with this virus. I'll tell you why you might still get infected with this virus in case you're that kind of person that might have been using condom, but despite that, you still have tags on your body. One of the ways you can get infected is if you're that kind of person that likes oral sex. As a man or as a woman, if you like oral sex, you can still get infected because HPV virus is found in vaginal fluid and it is also found in semen. So when you have oral sex, you can have yourself in contact with vaginal fluid. You can also have yourself in contact with semen, and that's how this virus gets into your body. As a man also, if you're using condom and you're having sex with somebody who is infected, this particular virus is found in vaginal fluid. So the vaginal fluid can touch any part of your body. It can touch your mouth, it can touch your thigh, and because it touches your thigh, you don't use condom on your thigh, you only use condom on your penis. So this virus can get into your body through this route, and that's how you get infected. Now, there are ways in which you can prevent this particular virus free of charge without spending any money, without wasting resources, without having so much, problems like that. And one of the ways you can prevent it is by taking HPV vaccine. This particular vaccine is free of charge in most hospitals. So if you've not gotten this vaccine injected into your body, try to have it injected into your body so you can prevent this virus completely from your body. And even when you've taken the vaccine, try to use condom because it will reduce your risk of having this infection, unlike people who have not taken the vaccine. Now, I know people will be asking questions like, despite all this, I still have genital wart. What can I do? How can I treat this particular condition? How can I get solutions to this condition? Now, one of the major ways people feel to manage this particular condition is by taking podophyllin cream. It's by using podophyllin cream on what? You just apply podophyllin cream and you expect it to go like that. It won't go on its own like that because podophyllin cream is just a topical ointment that can remove the tag, but it doesn't remove the virus from your body. So while treating or while managing genital wart, you will need to add up antiviral medications that will reduce the viral load of this particular virus in your body. But that's the mistake that most people do. They only focus on getting podophyllin cream and imiquimod cream to just remove the wart, but that alone will not solve your problem. And that's why it's always good you add up a medication called acyclovir. Acyclovir is an antiviral medication that can reduce the viral load caused by human papilloma virus in your body, and that's how you can manage this particular condition. Because if you are that kind of person that have been using you've been using the cream, the podophyllin cream, and the wart have gone, you notice that the wart will come back because you've not reduced the viral load in your body. Don't forget that genital wart cannot be cured completely, but it can be managed successfully by using medications like acyclovir tablets, imiquimod cream, podophyllin cream, and other medications like that to reduce the viral load in case you're that kind of person that is suffering from this condition. So if you have this particular condition and maybe you have other questions you want to ask about this particular virus, do well to drop it in the comment section as I'll be responding to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, do well to hit on the subscribe button because these are the kind of video I'll be dropping every day for your consumption. Also do well to drop comments as I've rightly said so I can respond to them. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time.